Hi, Bill. This is Theresa. Just wanted to thank you and your support staff, Sean and Sunshine, for all the hard work that you put into this platform. My goal for using Creative REI was to try to generate more prospects than I have with direct mail. And that has been the case every day, every morning when I wake up. My inbox is just overflowing with prospects. I've had to make more calls and talk to more sellers now using the platform that I have with all the direct mail I've sent out for the past 2 years. I'm still waiting for a deal, but it's been a great experience because I feel like I've gotten farther with this platform than I have with other platforms that I've used in the past. It's very user friendly, and your support staff, especially Sunshine and Sean, are really quick to respond, very professional, very thorough, and extremely knowledgeable. It's been an absolutely great experience. It's well worth the money. Your trainings and the information that we're getting within the site is invaluable, and it has really helped me to understand creative financing much more than I did before, and I'm very grateful for that. I would just say to anyone, just try it. You'll like it, like the old Life cereal commercial. You really will. And it's very easy to use. And what you don't understand, professionals do understand and get back to you right away. So thank you so much. And I appreciate all that you've done and look forward to a very long relationship with you and with Creative REI Reply. Thank you.